I cannot resist this delicious dessert. Pour coconut flakes into the tray lined with baking paper. Put flour in the saucepan. Add sugar and milk. Mix well with the whisk. Add milk again and mix. Put the saucepan on the heat. Boil the cream, stirring continuously so that no lumps form, until it thickens. Add butter and mix until it melts. Pour the cream into the tray with coconut. Spread evenly and chill for 4 hours. Mix the cream cheese. Mix the whipped cream with powdered sugar in another bowl. Mix both creams. Put the cream in the tray in an even layer and chill the tray for 1 hour. Put sugar and white chocolate in the saucepan. Pour in milk. Stir until the chocolate melts. Pour the chocolate milk into the glass with ice. Add milk and coffee. Remove the dessert from the tray. Detach the paper from the edges. Cut the dessert into equal strips. Sprinkle with ground walnuts. Roll the strips into a spiral. The rolls with a divine taste, lots of cream, and coconut flakes will be a sensation on festive tables.